Think you're a science and nature genius? Prove it by acing this 5-question quiz. Which planet in the solar system is the closest to the Sun? The answer is Mercury. In chemistry, how many isomers does butanol, C4H9OH, have? The answer is 4. Which psychological term refers to the stress of holding contrasting beliefs? The answer is cognitive dissonance. In aeronautics, flaps and slats are used to control what on an aircraft? The answer is lift. The humerus, paired radius, and ulna come together to form what joint? The answer is elbow. How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Follow us for more quiz challenges and fun facts.